I'm Kieran and I do crazy stuff with bubbles, things that you wouldn't think were even possible. Last week I built a rocket out of bubbles. So today I've set myself one of the biggest challenges I've faced yet. My little girl absolutely loves watching Frozen. Let it go, let it go. And I have decided to see if I could build Elsa's Ice Palace out of bubble. I'm ready to start the project, but I'm going to need a few things. The first thing I'm going to need is helium. We're also going to need something to balance it on, so I'm going to use a wine glass. And this wine glass is for the snowman. That will make sense later on. We're also going to need a fogger, a compressor for injecting our helium. I'm very excited. And also we're going to need a light. And this is what we're going to build the bubble on. It changes color. So this is going to give us our blue tint for let it go, let it go. We're also going to need some bubble solution. This is the best bubble solution. It is on my page. And if you're enjoying this content, why don't you like, subscribe, hit the bell button. I was planning on using one of my daughter's toys to put in the middle of the bubble, but I'm not allowed. My wife and daughter both said no. So I'm going to be putting Krusty Krab inside the bubble, which is not frozen, but it's a frozen ice palace with Krusty the Krab in. So there we are. I'm Krusty the Krab. I'm stolen her house. Right, let's get on with it. So I started by putting Krusty Krab in the bubble. As you can see, Krusty Krab is now inside a bubble. Look how amazing that looks. Just on its own with the blue light. It looks absolutely stunning. So this is the first part of what we're gonna do. Now we've got to build up. So let's get back to building. So this is the hardest bit because I've got to build a second tower and then I've got to fill it in and then make it look blue. Look about how amazing that looks so far. So we're on the first tower. We're gonna build this up, add a bit more snow, but look at that blue. That's just beautiful. So let's keep going, and I'm just going to give you a bit more angle, but look how good that looks so far. So now I had the second part, was building all the way up. This was a real challenge, but I managed to do it on the first go, which was amazing. The blue just looked stunning. I'll give you a closer up of that. Look at that. How good is that? And then I'm just going to add one more bit. I'm going to add a snow globe bit to the bottom and a snowman. I've done that bit. Now I have to build a snowman just to go with it. Just do a quick one of these. My son Rupert's going to rate it. What do you think of the ice palace? It spins. Let me do this. Oh, it's kind of falling apart. Oh no! Ah! Before it fell apart, what do you think of it?
9. 1 because of one.
What, 9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Or 1 out of 10? It's kind of falling apart.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
9/10 because of Mr. Crab. It doesn't live in the snow. He would actually die in the snow.
So basically it's 1 out of 10 because it fell apart and Mr. Krabs in it.
Yeah.
So do you think your sister will like it?
Maybe.
Maybe. High five?
Only